Hello everyone, got some good news. This came today. Ooh. So, let me just get that in frame. So this is the boom arm for my new microphone, well, for my microphone, which is the Elgato Wave 3. So I thought I'd just share this with you. This would not have been possible for all the support and love that I've had on my stream. So this is just a big thank you to everyone who subscribed, who cheered bits and gifted subs, for allowing me to get this and reinvest in my streaming stuff. And secondly, well, B, it's an unboxing video. So let's get into it. Right, so I've just got to cut these bits here. There we go. I've already cut some of it. Right. Okay. So, let me get the camera. I'm still taking down Halloween decorations. So, this is what we get in the box. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Can we see all that? So, let me just adjust the light a little bit so we can see. There we go. Still using the camera. There we go. So we've got the instructions. We've got an extension rod. We've got the clamp. We've got something which I don't know what that is. I'll have a look at them. Let's have a look at the instructions. Okay. Oh, it's a tension microphone weight. So we slip that over the arm and it adjusts it for the microphone. Right, okay. Let's put that out of the way. And we've got the arm itself, which is surprisingly light. It's got this strap around it to keep it in the box because it's a sprung load. So I'll pop the camera back. Da-da. Oh, light's a bit brighter now, so you get to see my shiny face. Right, so there's the arm. So let's just put some tension on it. And that. Oh, smooth. Right. So there we go. That's the Elgato boom mic. Proper name for it. So it's the Wave Mic arm. Okay. We've also got an so mic goes on that end. Let me just clear this box out of the way. And we'll get it clamped to the desk. That's amazing. And it's also got, you see that? Guides for all the cabling and everything. It's a really, really lovely looking product. And I'm very, very pleased to have been able to use the stuff that you've allowed me, the payments that I've got from Twitch, just because you've all been so kind and subbed and cheered bits. Okay. It's allowing me to do this and allows me to, reinvest in the streaming. Okay. So thank you very much, guys. Short video. Okay. I'll speak to you soon. Take care.